Hi friends, so welcome to my channel. So next we are going to deal with this line toolbar. So line, so we can draw a horizontal line. So like this, if we get the blue color, it is a straight line and it is horizontal line, and this is vertical line. And suppose I want to draw a line with an angle of 45 degrees. So go to sketch tools, select the angle as 45, and if you want we can give the length of the line also. Suppose I'm giving it as 150, enter. So like this a line is drawn with an angle of 45 and length as, so we'll go to constraints and specify the length. Okay, so like this a line is drawn by specifying length and angle. This blue color indicates, sorry, this pink color indicates that the object is over constraints. So already we are given the length and angle, so it is over constraint. So select this and delete the over constraint dimensions. So this is, so in this we can draw a line by specifying length and angle, and if you want specify the horizontal point and vertical point of a line, we can specify by using this horizontal first point and vertical point. So this is about the line. Next is infinite line. In this we can draw a line with infinite length, means we cannot measure the distance of the line. Okay, specify. So it will ask for the start, just a point. So if we click a point in the workspace, the horizontal line with infinite length is created. See, if I am moving the workspace, we can't find the end point of the line, means it is an infinite line, its length is cannot be measured. Okay, so these infinite length lines are used for reference purposes in the drawing. So this is horizontal infinite length. I want to draw a vertical line, so go for sketch tools, click the vertical line. So vertical line is created with infinite length. Okay, so in infinite line we can draw a inclined line by specifying angle. So click on the inclined angle and specify the angle, so 65 angle. Okay, so the infinite line with 65 angle is created. Okay, this infinite line with an angle of 65. Okay, in infinite line, suppose I want to change the infinite line to some dotted lines, that is construction line. So suppose I am going for the horizontal line. So this horizontal line is generated, I want to convert into a construction line. Okay, so in sketch tools, the third tool is the construction of standard element. Select that so that the line is converted into the reference line or construction line. Okay, so this infinite length line can be used for the references purpose by converting them into construction line by selecting these two, that is construction or standard element in sketch tools. So this tool is used to convert the object into a construction element. Okay, suppose I want to turn off this, just turn off and go to infinite line. Normal line is created with continuous line. Okay, not only this line, infinite line, like rectangle, circle also be drawn by construction element. So I'm drawing a circle. Okay, now I want to convert into this circle to the construction element. So select this circle and tick on the, that is select the construction element. Okay, and click on escape. See this circle is converted into a construction element. So any object to convert into a construction element, just draw the object. Okay, and on the construction element. So construction element object can be drawn by using this tool. Okay, just turn off it and coming to the next tangent line, by tangent line. So further select two objects. A bi-tangent line is created between the circle and the line. Suppose I want to create a bi-tangent between two circles. Okay, just select the bi-tangent tool and specify two tangent points. So like this, again bi-tangent, these two points. Okay, so tangent, these two lines indicates the tangent point of between circle and the line. So like this, tangent point is created between two circles. Next is the bisecting line. Okay, so bisecting line, I am selecting this horizontal line and this inclined line. A bisecting line is created with infinity line, because infinity line. Okay, suppose I have drawn two lines like this. Okay, just select the bisecting line, select these two lines. A bisecting line is created between these two lines. Okay, previously we have selected two infinite lines, so infinite bisecting line is created. So these are the specified length line, so bisecting line is created between these two. Okay, so again one other example, I have drawn two lines like this, again bisecting line. So between these two points a bisecting line is created. Bisecting line. So between these two lines a bisecting line is created with infinite length. This line is called as a tangent line. So once again I will repeat this. Okay, coming to the bitangent line, between these two lines a bitangent line is created. Coming to intersecting bisecting line, between these two lines a bisecting line with infinite length is created. Okay, next, last but not least, line normal to the curve. Okay, next coming to the line normal to curve. So draw a line and select this tool. Just specify the point. From that point a perpendicular line, that is normal to the line, is created. Okay, so we can specify any point in the line. So from that point a perpendicular line is created. So this is about the line toolbar. Next is, okay, next one is the axis line. So for every object there must be an axis line. So axis line is created like this: dotted line, short line, dotted line, short line. So this axis line is also used for the reference purpose in the drawing. Okay, next, last is the point toolbar. So point is created anywhere in the workspace by specifying horizontal point and vertical point from the axis. Okay, so I am specifying the horizontal point like 1500 and vertical point as 2500. So from that a point is created. So this is about the point. At an horizontal distance of 1500 and vertical distance of 2500 a point is created. Okay, like this we can create any point in the workspace. Okay, next is using by coordinates. So it is also similar to circle by using coordinates. So specify the horizontal distance and vertical distance, so point is created. Next is by using polar coordinates. Just specify the radius and angle. I'm giving it as 45, enter. So at an radius as 5000 at an angle of 45, enter, the point is created. Okay, next is equidistance point. Suppose I have drawn a line, I need to create points in this line. So go to equidistance point, select this line. Okay, you are getting a definition of the point. I am giving it points as 10 and click on OK. So at every equidistance, a point is created. Okay, suppose I want to change the distance, just double click on it and change the value. So every point distance has changed to 500. Okay, so this effects means it is depend on the first point. So every point has a prefix as effects. So this is about the equidistance point. Again I am selecting this line, I am changing it. Okay, I am drawn another line, equidistance point. Suppose I will change to reverse direction, means in this side. If I change reverse direction from left to right, this direction reverse as right to left. So like this, equidistance points as created. Click on OK. So next is the intersection point. I have drawn two lines like this. The intersection of two lines indicates the intersection points. So this is the intersection point. Next is the projection point. So draw a line, okay, and specify a point key anywhere in the workspace. Just click on the projection point, select the point and select the line. So point is projected perpendicular to this line. Okay, so like this, a projection point is created onto this line. Okay, so equidistance point. This equidistance point is applied not only for lines, and it is applied not only for lines, it is applied for circles also. So draw a circle, select the equidistance point and select the circle. So I want to create 8 points. So at equidistant point, points are created on the circle. So like this. Okay, so like this, equidistant points on the circles or line or any object, the points are created. So this is completely about the profile toolbar. In the next class, we'll come across the operation toolbar, okay, and remaining toolbars in Sketch, okay, in the Sketcher module. Thank you.